I had a problem with low resolution emojis I wanted to use in my videos. See, using emojis is a great way to visualize and add flavor to your videos, but when you add one to your timeline, the result is an unusable blur. Is there a solution? Yes, there is. DeepImage.ai uses artificial intelligence, neural networks, and all kinds of very engineering technical algorithms that I don't understand anything about. For me, it doesn't matter how it works. What's important is the results that are amazing. Look at this. You can simply upload your images to Deep Image Interface, select how many times you want to upscale the image, and do you want noise reduction and artifact removal. You can upload JPEGs and PNGs. Then the wizards of interwebs do their magics, and you get an image you can use. It's not perfect, but it's surprisingly good. The highest resolution you can use now is 5000 by 5000 pixels. Any new user gets 5 free images, and after that, Deep Image offers subscription plans for a few dollars a month, so go ahead and give it a try. It works for me and gives much better results than upscaling the images in Photoshop. So this is one tool that has been helpful for me. I hope it helps you as well. Thanks for watching and take care.